writing a strong academic essay and kind of the meat and potatoes of it. The introduction is its own paragraph, its own section that you work on, where you're working on that hook and you're working on background information and thesis. And then you have to take that thesis and develop your body paragraphs and your conclusion. So you need your inspiration. Writing isn't just about sudden genius. Movies show writers waiting for ideas to strike, but real writing needs more than that. You need to make sure that you are spending time on your research and your brainstorming before you write. It isn't just following a rigid format. You need inspiration plus the planning that's going to give you the strong writing. So planning gives this thought shape, and then inspiration brings connections and creativity. Put these together to develop your strongest writing. This is why outlining is so important and part of the writing process. While outlining an essay on climate change, you might realize that deforestation and extreme weather are connected. That's awesome. It's okay to be outlining a paper and adding things in. It's going to strengthen your argument. Keep that in mind. So you might have planned social media affects teen self-esteem 100%. You're inspired by constantly comparing themselves to filtered image online. Teens may view their lives as inadequate. That's powerful. Sometimes you can be too inspired, no plan. Teens are online and see things that aren't true. There's no credibility there. Or too planned, but no spark. Social media causes low self-esteem. This is a problem. It's going to feel very blunt, very to the point. It's going to sound like AI writing. You want that inspiration to be connected with your plan. So, the body's where your argument does unfold. If you have a weak body, you're going to have a weak paper. So you need to plan it carefully. If you were writing a 5-page paper, a half a page would be your intro, double-spaced, and a half a page would be your conclusion. That leaves 4 pages of body paragraphs. Each body paragraph is usually each page is going to have multiple body paragraphs. So you're looking at about 6 to 8 paragraphs. So let's say that you're doing your problem solution essay and you have a thesis statement that states, although food waste is a global issue, it can be reduced through education, composting, and donation systems. You have a problem, you define food waste, show impact. You have a cause, consumer behavior, supply chains, and then you have a solution, education, composting, and food recovery. Makes that a strong thesis. In your paper, you want to explain composting, describe how it works in cities, share a success story, and explain environmental benefits. Each paragraph needs to have a topic sentence, supporting evidence, and an analysis. You want to end with either a closing sentence or a transition sentence that transitions into the next paragraph. Make sure that you're staying focused. You have one idea per paragraph. Use transitions to guide readers. Balance structure and creativity. And be flexible. Your outline can change and evolve as you're writing it. A strong body paper will be organized. Each body paragraph is just going to connect back to that thesis statement. And you're going to have it's going to be developed with planning and insight.